Karl, your dog is a damn rascal. She is not leaving me alone. She's just sitting here. At least she's not pawing me right now. She knows we're talking about her. So I'm looking away from her now. Let's see if she paws the chair. She seems to have stopped. Oh, no, she's harassing me. Don't work on the computer. Pay attention to me, she says. You're a rascal. You hear me? Yeah. She wants to go outside, but then she barks. And so I brought her in. And she's like, I'm not barky, I'm good. There's people out there that need to be barked at. Alright, so that's a summary of what your dog is doing. Yeah. Yeah. There goes her paw, see? Oh, no, she got embarrassed. She gets embarrassed if she knows we're looking at her paw. But that's what she does all day long. Sits right here and harasses me.